guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to do unboxing of March Fab bag. If you haven't watched my previous video yet, I have done February Fab bag unboxing. I'm gonna link it here so you can check. So those who are new to my channel, I want to talk about what the Fab bag is. So Fab bag is a monthly subscription bag where you get a bunch of products to try out. So there is 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 month and 12 month subscription, which is totally up to you guys what you want to opt for yourself. And for more details you can check my previous video. I have explained everything about this Fab bag there. Also this Fab bag costs for rupees 599, and as your subscription exceeds like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, the amount will also exceed. Now this is how my March Fab bag looks like, and I really love their pouches. Like they are so travel friendly and I use them a lot. Like whenever I'm traveling, I keep my everyday makeup stuff in this bag. Like I'm good to go, and this bag is of such a nice and good quality. And now why would I recommend you all to purchase this Fab bag? Because at the price of rupees 599 you get the products worth 1500 to 1800 something. So with Fab bag you get to introduce to new brands that you might not try. Like there were a lot of products in February Fab bag which I haven't tried, but then with the Fab bag I get to try them. And now there are a lot of products that I haven't tried yet in this Fab bag. So yes, that is like a really good chance to try out new products, because whatever suits you, you keep on purchasing those products only and you won't able to try out the new products in the market. So that's why I really like this concept of Fab bag, that they provide you 4 to 5 products. Like this is about the 1 month subscription. They provide you 4 to 5 products and you got to try them all. So there are international brands, there are Indian brands, and just for rupees 599 only. So if you are interested in this Fab bag, I'm gonna leave a coupon code in my description box and it would be flashing right here on the screen, which is Aditi10, and you can avail 10% discount on this. But this is just for 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. This coupon code is not valid for 1 month subscription. So do not forget to check my description box before you leave. So now let me show you the products that I received. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5 products and I am going to show them one by one. We are going to dive into these products in details. So I am just going to introduce you to these products, and the application of these products would be there in my Instagram. So please make sure you follow me on Instagram too. Now the first product that I have with me is this nail paint, and I really love this color. This is like Crackle Me Good and the shade is Blue Crackle. So this is such a pretty shade and I can't wait to try this. Like it is a really cool color, and the quantity is 8 ml, and this product individually retails for rupees 300, but you are getting this in the Fab bag which is for 599. So I think that's a really good deal. The next product that I have with me is this walnut face scrub from the brand Nirvana. So this is like an Indian brand. Now the quantity is 50 gram and this product individually retails for rupees 250. So I think this together makes 599. So you'll be getting just these 2 products for 599. And now you are getting 5 products at this price, which is like really cool. So this is like a face scrub, walnut scrub, and let me show you the texture of this product. It is sealed. So it has a very creamy texture and it has these small micro beads in it, which is like a great exfoliator, and it is like very gentle on skin, but you have to work gently as well. Do not go harsh with the scrub. And yeah, I am very excited to use this product because it seems awesome and the fragrance is also very good. Now moving on to next product, I have the Tribe Concepts hair mask. This is the root strengthening and conditioning hair mask, and I haven't tried any product of this, so that's why I'm saying like you got to try new products with Fab bag. So it is the Bring Raj hibiscus leaf and flower hair mask, and it provides strong, smooth and shiny hair. I think this is some powder kind of mask in which you need to add water water and then apply to your hair. This is what I think, because it feels like that. I can't open it right now, but I will definitely show the application of this product on my Instagram. Now moving on to next product, I have this Global Beauty Secrets charcoal face mask, and this is how the packaging looks like, and I really love this packaging. Now everything with black and golden, I really like the packaging. Now it is the charcoal face mask and everything is written over here. Okay, so it has these two tiny tubes inside, which is like actually very cute. And this one is the Greek face mask, and this is the body moisturizer. So yeah, this is like really cute. And first let me open this face mask. It is also sealed. So just like any other charcoal face mask, it is also like grey in color, and charcoal is like really good for your skin, which helps in removing excess oil and toxins that cause acne. So yes, charcoal face mask is really good. Then this is the body moisturizer. Now this is the texture of the body moisturizer, and it is like so smooth. It has some buttery formula, and yeah, the fragrance is also very good. And now the last product that I have with me is this Seri flashlight blusher stick. So they don't just send these products to you, there are some options to choose from. So I got this option of either having a highlighter or a blush, and there were like so many shades also, and I am in this shade. Like the shade that I picked is Coral Cat, like B3 Coral Cat. So this is how this blush looks like. Now this product individually will cost you around $649, which is like more than this fab bag. So yes, oh my god, just look at this color. It is like so summery kind of color, like very peachy color. And let me swatch this for you, and wow, it blends like very smoothly and very easily as well. Let me try it on my cheeks, though I have already applied the blush, but so I have just patted it a little like this, and then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers only. Like I was really in need of a cream blush, and there this comes. So you can see how pigmented this blush is. You can compare both the sides, and I really like this. It is looking amazing, and I really love this blusher stick. It is like so good. It's so pigmented, and it doesn't have that, you know, shiny thing in it which makes your blush looks glittery, which I don't like. I like matte blushes. So this is like really good. Alright guys, so that's it with these products. And not only these products, you get this travel size high quality bag, which is like very cute, and it is like very travel friendly. So yes, if you have any recommendation or any query regarding these products, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you want the subscription of this fab bag, you can get 10% discount, and the code would be right here on the screen again and in my description box too. So you can avail 10% discount using that code, but just for 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. It is not valid for 1 month subscription. But if you want to try out these products and the services of fab bag, you can first try for 1 month, and then you can exceed the plan. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.